Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I want to show you the charger I bought. It's a replacement laptop adapter with cable. So I bought this today for 25 quid. So I want to see if it works for my laptop because my laptop is Toshiba. All of a sudden the battery was a bit the charger was not working, so I had to replace a new charger, right? So I bought this. This is replacement laptop adapter. So we want to see if it works for this. Okay, so replacement adapter. This is what it looks like. So I bought this from my local store here. So to connect this here, we just need to put this together. Okay, and plug it on to the socket. And so you plug this on here, the laptop here. So, and now the light is on. That to show you it's working. It is working. It's a replacement adapter. Okay, so I bought this online. This laptop charger that I'm using. My laptop replacement charger, and you know it's working because of this light. So I'm gonna turn this laptop on. It's Toshiba. Yes, so this is the replacement charger that I'm using at the moment. It's very good and it's very handy. It's replacement laptop adapter with cable, model SV/1900474/090/5525, 19 volts, 4.74 amp, 5.5 storage, 2.5. So this is from China. Bought it today. You can see the price here, 25 quid. Right, it's really reliable, high quality, high build quality replacement laptop power adapter. Okay, so this is really good. Can go with, you see, Toshiba, Dell, Samsung, Acer, right? So yeah, this is what I bought today, guys. Replacement laptop charger. It's quite good. This is what I bought today. I like this because it's very handy. It also give you one and say for indoor only. It's not outside. Manufactured by Stiga, China. Okay, so this is just for, it can go with every laptop really. You go with Dell, Samsung, Toshiba. Like my laptop is Toshiba, so this is what I'm using. Okay. Also, it will give you a green light here to tell you that it's working and is connected properly. So this is the replacement battery charger that I'm using. Okay. It's really like a universal because it goes with a lot of you know, a lot of computer, a lot of laptop can use it. You can go with HP, compatible with HP, Toshiba, Dell, Samsung, Acer. Okay, also compatible with you know, a lot of other computers. Okay, see, it's really good. I thought to show you the battery replacement AC adapter that I bought today, 25 quid. This is really very handy. Okay, so you plug this on from here. You plug this on. This is where you plug this. I like this because it's really good. It is expensive, but it's still cheap, considerable with a lot of other products here, and it lasts. The one I'm using now, I bought that 3 years ago, so, and it's something that you use all the time. Laptops, you see, you use laptop all the time. So with this, you know, every now and then you need to change it every few years. Okay, so I bought this today, so it's charging. You can see the light here. Okay, it shows you that the laptop is charging. If you turn this power off, you see the light here is off now. That to show you it's just the battery is on. So I need to plug it back on, push it back on, then you see the light here is back on. You see? So yeah, this is the battery replacement adapter that I'm using, the charger. This is what I'm using. I bought it today, so I thought to show you what I bought. It's from China, like every other gadget, you know, come from China these days. But what is most important thing is making sure that it's working, and this one is working. So it's recommendable and it's good, not heavy, and quite portable. You see, some of this is very heavy, but also some of them you wouldn't really know whether it's working or not. But this one got blue light here to show you that it is working. So yeah, this is what I bought today. Replacement AC adapter. I bought it from my local store here. That day with my previous one, I bought it from Amazon. So you can actually get this also from amazon.co.uk. So but this one is, I bought it from my local computer store. So this is the AC replacement AC adapter for pretty much a lot of computer. My computer is Toshiba, so you can use it for Samsung, for Dell, for HB, for Philips, right? Okay, so yeah, this is replacement AC adapter for my computer. It's from China. This is the packet. This is the packet. Initially my laptop, you know, when the charger stopped working, so it went off. So I'm glad I got this today. So this is what I got. Replacement AC adapter for Toshiba laptop. Thank you very much. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. This is the product I bought today, 25 quid, and it's working. It's very good. You can see the light here. That's to show you it's working. The light is on. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and God bless you. Replacement AC adapter, I love it. Thanks. Bye bye for now.